Hello, hi friends. Let me quickly explain you how this turnaround time, that is TAT, will be calculated. For example, any test which has a turnaround time of 6 hours. So I'll be collecting the sample and I'll be processing and I'll be approving the reports. Okay. So I'll just give the examples. Same these things, whatever which have been mentioned over here, will be considered over here. I'm giving an example for you. For example, I've collected a patient has come to your lab and given you a sample at 124. Okay. Now this sample after collection I've sent to the lab for estimation. So that will be your sample receiving time, that is 130. And after doing everything, processing and everything, I have entered the result at 3:36 p.m. and it has been verified at 3:40, and the pathologist or so and so consultant has approved at 4:42. Now I need to calculate TAT, that is turnaround time, for this specified sample. So you have to put is equal to, and just what you need to do is this time, that is result approved time minus sample collected time, and just press enter. So you have got you have done your testing, collection and testing by 3 hours. So it's within that, but it has to show over here whether it is within that or not. So for that I'll put a formula again. It's better to use formulas, and if it is a Excel sheet, so I'll put a formula is equal to, I'm using if condition. If this time less than this time, then put a comma and give the condition in apostrophe, like it should give as with in TAT, or else again it has to write, if it is more than 6 hours, then it has to write it as out of TAT. Fine. Yeah. Now I'll press enter. Okay. So this 6 hours was my TAT. I've given the result within 3 hours. So this is within TAT. For example, I'm not going to do all these things. Just I'll put for a quick this thing. I'm just putting a TAT of 7 hours over here. Okay. 7 hours. Now it is, the TAT has exceeded, because basically our TAT was 6 hours. You have given the report in 7 hours, so it should write it as out of TAT. So same formula, I'll just drag it from the upper cell, go over here and just drag it. Now it should write it as out of TAT. Okay, because 7 hours is more than 6 hours. So this is how we need to calculate the TAT and all. Okay. So basically this is a short video. If you have any doubts, you can just ping me. I'll just try to clear off your doubt. Okay. So this is how you get, this is only 1 or 2 samples I'm showing you. You should calculate your TAT for the whole month, that is 30 days. 30 days in the sense, based on the lab to lab, you have thousands of samples, and you get these things. So you should be able to calculate how the TAT will be calculated and what is the TAT percentage and all. Okay. Thank you.